Hey everyone, Tech Vibe here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Instagram to Facebook. So let's get started. So very first thing, let's go ahead and open up Facebook, and then we're going to go ahead and tap on our profile here to get to our profile. From our profile, we're going to click on these three dots right here and then scroll down, and where it says copy profile link, we're just going to simply go ahead and copy that. So copying that. Now, once you copy that, we're going to go into Instagram now. So let's go ahead and open up our Instagram app. And from there on the Instagram app, you're going to tap on your profile to get to your profile. Now, there's two different ways to connect it if you want to connect it, where your Facebook link shows up here. On the profile, you're going to simply edit profile, and then where it says links, you're going to tap on that and then add external link. And then you just paste in that URL that we copied and then put Facebook. So it's something like this, and then hit done. And that's going to give a link where they can click on Facebook and then get you to Facebook. So they'll see the link, and then they can click on Facebook to get to your Facebook page. Now, if you want, where you connected where you can cross-host and share between both of your accounts, then in that case, you're going to go on this three dots up here, or the three lines, and then click on Account Center, and then Profiles, and simply click on Add Accounts. And then, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and sign into your Facebook account, and it's going to add it as a Facebook, just like that, where now you can use both of the platforms together to post at the same time if you want to cross-host and to make it easy for you. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.